Hey guys, welcome to another episode of How to Trade. So basically, this is lesson number two. In lesson number one, we recapped our support and resistance zones and also how to find these support and resistance zones. Now, just to recap on what we are doing in this lesson, basically, we are looking at our strategy called ICIC Strategy. So ICIC Strategy is not the only strategy that we need to pay attention to, but basically, this is what ICIC strategy is about. So it refers back to our first lesson of support and resistance. So basically, what we have in the Forex market, like I said in the previous video, is that we have support and resistance. Once support is broken, like for example, let's say this is a support area. Okay, once the support is broken from the forex market, okay, then this will become resistance again. So it won't be support again, it will be resistance. So the once it's broken through support, then this becomes resistance. This support become resistance, and resistance becomes support. That's how forex market works. So basically, if the market breaks through this, it's broken through the support, and it will come up to test this new resistance in order for it to basically move in a wave. Like I've said before, market will always move in waves, and this is how the market will basically work each day, every day, all the time. Now, ICIC strategy is very, very simple. It's very, very easy to understand, but you need to educate yourself a little bit more about it. Don't forget to check out our premium group and our mentorship program. This is all included in our mentorship program as well. So an ICIC strategy is basically we have an impulse to the downside. Okay, once we have an impulse to the downside, we will have a correction. Correction to where? The correction will to be to the resistance, which was previously support. Okay, so this is how the market will move, and it will go break through again the support and retest, or basically trying to test that next resistance again, and the market will move like this in waves all the time. So if you guys know how to find this, you can enter your trades very, very easily on the 4 hour time frame or on the daily time frame, whichever you prefer, because we are swing traders. We like to trade the higher time frames. So if you guys would be able to see and know exactly where the market is going, it would be much easier for you guys to profit off the market. Now, on an uptrend, it's exactly the same thing. If it breaks the resistance line, it will then test the support again and break the resistance, test the support again, break the resistance, test the support again. So this is how it will work. That's why we call it ICIC strategy, because we always have an impulse, and then we have a correction, another impulse, another correction, another impulse, and another correction, and another impulse. This is how the market works. In the uptrend, it's exactly the same. Impulse, we have impulse correction, and then we have another impulse to the upside, another correction, and that's how the market will flow all the time, every day, all day. So basically, what we are basically what just to sum up what we have in this kind of lesson is we have an impulse to the downside, okay, with a nice corrective move. Then after we have a corrective move, we will have our next impulse to the downside. Once we have our next impulse to the downside, we will have another corrective move. Another corrective move. After the corrective move, we'll have an impulse to the downside. So basically, this is how the Forex market will work. It moves in waves, and it moves in impulse correction, impulse patterns. So just to sum up, that is a downtrend I just drew just now. This is an uptrend. We have an impulse, we have a correction, we have an impulse again, we have another correction, we have another impulse, and lastly, we have another correction with the last push to the upside. So this is how the market works. Like I said, it works in impulse correction, impulse situation all the time, every time. Now, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give me a like and a comment on our Facebook page, and also check out my Instagram, my website as well will be in the links below. Make sure that you guys leave the comments below any questions or any concerns that you guys have about any of these videos. You can just leave me a comment in the links below and let me know what you guys want to learn. I want to know what you guys want to know, and I want to know what you guys want to learn. So anything like that, you guys can just leave in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my Facebook page and Instagram. We will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.